Connecting classroom knowledge to the booth, giving real-time visibility into every weld and streamlining instruction. Compact and portable, Miller ArcCapture Weld Camera Systems install in seconds for flexible use across any workstation. ArcCapture delivers real-time weld visibility with high-definition video capture using ArcLight as the light source. No external lighting required. Stream weld footage to a variety of devices, including large screens, tablets, or smartphones for easy access in any environment. View and manage multiple camera feeds on one device, giving you greater visibility. No more crowding the booth to observe your students' welding technique. Instead, gain a front row seat to every weld. Instructors can observe welds remotely and review in real time. Students receive immediate, clear visual feedback to refine their technique for faster skill growth. Easily record and save footage to provide timely, targeted feedback. This is next-level training. ArcCapture Weld Camera Systems. Define, display, connect.